Start with the simple brass melody. Add FX. Add synth. Cut the low frequencies and add reverb. Then add keys. Cut the low frequencies and add reverb again, and use shaper box crush and pan preset to add more dark sound. Do more keys. And add fruity stereo shaper with EQ pattern. Add more synth. Then use Facturator plugin for more unique sound. Add some string and you're done. Here is final loop. Drums. I used my own drum kit named Hyper that you can find on my Patreon Ice Gear, link in a description. Hi-hats. Start with the simple hi-hats pattern, then copy and paste through the whole melody. Claps. Snare. Open hats. .808. I added slides for 808 to get more exceptional sound. Kicks. Add bell and you're done. Here is final loop with drums.
Ice Gear.